How you doing? My name is Matthew Lemoyne, and today what we're going to do is take apart a rear end. I'm going to show you the steps on how to take it apart, inspect it, and also put it back together the correct way. So just hang on a second, we'll get to it. The first step is what we're going to do, take off the housing here, and then we're going to come over to the axle, pull the axles out on either side. Once you get that done, we're going to come back to here, take off the retainers and the pins, loosen it up, and then we'll be able to pull out the chunk. Once we pull out the chunk, I'll show you how to inspect it. Alright, now right here we have the pinion gear. What you want to do is you're going to be checking for any kind of worn abrasion on the edges. It's a little bit better if it's on the center, but if it's on the edge, it means this is not aligned right. How you align it is with shims at the bottom. Same thing goes for here for the ring gear. You can also align the ring gear with shims on the inside as well. But that's how you align the teeth, and that's how you check to see if it's worn with on the marks. Come over here. We have the ring gear, and like I said before, you want to check on here where the wear marks are. If they're on the edge, like this is, see how it's on the edge right here? It's worn and it's not grooved correctly, so it's going to be wearing a lot more, and it probably have a noise as well. Then you want to check your bearings on the outside, and you want to check for play. These are not bad, but it's not close. It's kind of close for repair. You want to check both sides to make sure that the bearings are good, and you also want to check the actual bearing themselves for any kind of burn marks or anything like that. Once you get done, then you can put it back in, and we'll do a final test for any looseness within the gears, and that will be the minimum amount or maximum amount of looseness would be 5 thousandths. How you adjust this is you will turn usually 2 to 3 times on either side, and that's how you get this to stay in one spot. Once you adjust it, then you put your axles in, and then you can check for the adjustment within the ring gear and the pinion gear. You also want to line up your marks from here to here. That way when you go ahead and you put your supports, that the pin that sits on top in the center will hook into the two holes to lock it in. So this way this doesn't come and become undone. Alright, we're going to check for the movement within the gears. The most is 5 thousandths, and this is how you set it up. You have this connected on the side, and basically you have the dial indicator right here. You want to put it about the center of the teeth, and then you want to move this ever so slightly back and forth. And you're checking for how much is going to turn. Like I said, 500 thousandths is the most. And this, because it is worn, it does not check out, so it needs new gears, but it's okay. And that's part of it. That's it.